स्टार्ट करें। ओके मम्मा यहाँ क्या क्या रखी है, इसके अंदर मम्मा क्या क्या रखी है आपको सबको बताना है ना।
Juice.
जूस नो
Yes.
नो
Glass.
यस ग्लास यस ग्लास।
Hey guys.
वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल लर्निंग विद फनी एक्टिविटीज।
Myself Priya'z.
Myself Priya'z and you are Shikarai. Yes.
Goodie bag.
Yes. Okay, so this video is all about this goodie bag. So guys, on 18th of May, that means like 3 days after my daughter's third birthday party is going to arrive. Okay, so for that we have decided to give her friends like so-called giveaway, or you can say like goodie bags. Okay, so actually this video is divided into two parts. In first part, I'll be showing you all what all items we have kept in this goodie bag and about some DIY so that you can get some ideas about it, what all items I have kept. And in my next video, I will be sharing with you all the vlog, that is my daughter's third birthday vlog, and it's going to be surprise, so I'm not going to share it now. Okay, so without delaying it, let's start. So in this video, I'll be showing this. Yes, yes, yes. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Let me talk. Please let me talk. मुझे बात करने दो सबसे. आपको बात करना, आप ही बात कर लो.
Hey guys.
Yes, guys.
Welcome to my channel.
Learning with funny activities.
Myself Priya'z.
Okay.
And goodie bag.
Yes, goodie bag.
And Gora.
Oh. Cut. Okay guys, so let me share with you what all items I have kept in this goodie bag. So firstly, there is a cute little mini folder which is very glossy, attractive, and toddler can easily open it to view the stuffs inside this folder, which is an amazing magic pads. I have a detailed review on this book in one of my previous folder. If you wish, I will link down in the description box below, or you can directly click on this icon to return to my previous video. Second is my first book on animals. This mini hard-binded books will make the kids comfortable to carry it in their pockets, and it's very easy for them to identify and recognize all the familiar animals. Lastly, I am keeping a packet of crayons in this file folder. This packet contains 12 shades of crayons. Actually, I wanted to assemble all the toddler stuffs at one place and I couldn't find anything better than this. So, I grabbed these folders to fill my goodie bags. Now, next item in this goodie bag is a DIY cookie cup. This adorable cookie cup is very simple to make. All you require is a gift wrapping sheet, few medium-sized paper cups, glitter tape, scissor, rubber bands, some cookies of your choice, and lastly a jar of gems. Now finely cut and separate its edges and slit equally throughout the cup. Now hold, press and release the slitted part gently so as to partly cover the rim of the cup like this. Now it's cookie time. Place 4 to 5 cookies in this cup and start folding again as we did previously. Isn't it good enough to exercise our fingers? Now take another paper cup and pour some gems in it. Place the cookie cup inside it, cover it with wrapping sheet with the help of rubber band, trim extra sheet and use this glitter tape to cover the rubber band. Now it's your choice. If you wish, you can write any quotations of your choice on the cup to make it attractive and funky. Lastly, take some decorative flowers, paste on top of the cup, and we are done. Now our third goodie bag item is a glass overloaded with toffees. Isn't it a great idea to incorporate in any return gifts, which will definitely attract all the kids at the same place? So to make this item, all you require is a glitter tape, scissor, gift wrapping sheet, needle and any color thread of your choice. Now, this glass I suppose is a bit different one. It's made of plastic and it changes its character while it is rotated. So, it's a good preference for our return gift idea. Next is a sellotape, few rubber bands. Now, 2 bowls of toffees. You can vary it accordingly to the taste and availability. I will use the left bowl to adorn and the right bowl toffees will be used to fill in my glass. Now to start with, take a glass, thread your needle and pierce it on any side of your wrapper. Measure the length of the thread to make it hang equally and repeat the process till you reach an exact amount of toffees to cover the glass. Now pick each toffee and make it hang with the help of sellotape. Again repeat this process till our whole glass is covered with sweets. Trim the unwanted or extra thread and start loading the glass with toffees. Now cover the glass with a wrapping sheet and trim its edges to make it equal. Take a glitter tape and cover the rubber band to make it classy and adorable. And you are done! This choco pie would probably be my very last snack to go in this goodie bag. Now let me share with you all how I assemble these items together in our bag. So, I try to keep my goodie bag very simple yet elegant and budget friendly. Okay guys, so do share your ideas and let me know that next time whenever you celebrate your toddler's birthday, then what all items you are going to keep in your goodie bag. And if you like this video, then please don't forget to give a thumbs up and also do subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in my next vlog, which is going to be part 2 of this video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.